Assalamu alaikum. At first, I am introducing myself. This is in front of you Muhammad Jamil Hussain, Assistant Teacher, English, Hatia HSU High School. At the very beginning, I would like to congratulate each and everybody who are watching this video right now on part of online school Shokhipur Tangail. This is the third class which I am going to take on the topic of voice change. The topic will be effective for the students of 6 to 10. In the previous class, I discussed about voice change, the classification of voice and the rules of how to change active to passive. And also, I discussed the rules of using to be verb in passive voice. Today, I am going to discuss some sentences for turning turning active voice to passive voice. My dear students, without wasting any more time, let's get our class started. Okay, my dear students, let's see the first sentence. I can do the work. I can do the work. My dear students, please notice here can is used. Here can is used. My dear students, you know, can is a modal auxiliary verb. My dear students, you know, can is modal auxiliary verb. We know that if modal auxiliary verb is used in active voice, then can will be used in passive voice. Then the sentence will be like that. The work can be. The work can be done. The work can be done by her. Then the sentence will be the work can be done by her. My dear students, you should keep it in mind that if any modal auxiliary verb is used in active voice, then we have to add only be after modal auxiliary verb to turn into passive voice. I mean, we have to use be in passive voice. My dear students, notice this sentence. I am going to open a new shop. I am going to open a new shop. Here, going to is used. My dear students, you know that if going to is used in active voice, then going to be will be used in passive voice. Then the passive voice will be like that. A new shop. A new shop is going to be opened. Going to be opened by me. The next sentence, he teaches us English. He teaches us English. My dear students, notice the sentence here. Two objects is used. Two objects are used. Us and English. My dear students, you have to notice very carefully when two objects will be used in active voice, then we have to make one object subject of passive voice, and that will be a personal object, I mean indirect object. Indirect object has to be a subject of passive voice. Here indirect object is us, then subject will be we. Then the sentence will be like that: we are taught. We are taught English. We are taught English by him. We are taught English by him. My dear students, here notice another sentence. He bought me a shirt for me. He bought a shirt for me. Sorry, he bought a shirt for me. My dear students, notice here also a shirt and me, object of verb bought. But you should keep it in mind that if preposition is used before indirect object, then that indirect object can never be subject of passive voice. So me cannot be subject of passive voice. Here a shirt will be subject. A shirt was bought. A shirt was bought for me by him. A shirt was bought for me by him. My dear students, I have written another sentence. The government has taken some steps to remove corruption. The government has taken some steps to remove corruption. I have said that the part after preposition, can never be subject of passive voice. So this part can never be subject of passive voice. So we have to make this part as subject of passive voice. So I have to write some steps. Some steps are plural noun. So we have to use here have been. Some steps have been taken. Some steps have been taken. Then we can write to remove corruption. To corruption. Some steps have been taken to remove corruption by the government. The next one, I saw them running. My dear students, here running is participle. Running is present participle. So this part can never be subject of passive voice. So the sentence will be they are seen running. They are seen running by me. Okay, my dear students, the next one, she makes me laugh. My dear students, notice the sentence. You know that in simple sentence, if there is to verb is used, then we have to add ing or to before second verb. But here second verb laugh. There is no ing or to before laugh. because there are some verbs in English grammar which cannot take or doesn't take any to. At the time, that kind of verb is called bare infinitive. But bare infinitive can be in only active voice, but passive voice we have to use to before second verb. You should keep it in mind. So the sentence will be I am made. I am made. We have to write here to. I am made to love. I am made to love by him. By him. I am made to love by him. The next sentence will be I was elected. I was elected captain. I was elected captain by them. I was elected captain by them. Okay, my dear students, we have practiced some sentences active to passive. We will take another class and we will discuss more about the rules of turning active to passive voice. No more today. Be safe. Allah Hafiz.